Hi, good morning everybody. Today I will explain how our GPS application will work. Just already I have installed application here. Just I am opening list of vehicles available in the list. Total I have 6 vehicles. These are the vehicles. Okay. It is a vehicle status. If it is overspeed, it is running, it is idle and it is stop. Okay, total 6 vehicles here. You can check in the live map also total how many vehicles is where the location. Okay, next coming to the running vehicles, we can check live map history report everything. Click on the live map. Okay, you will get a details where vehicle is traveling with the speed. Okay, with the address, and here it will show how many kilometers traveled today. This is from the last stop where it is started, and you will get a history also today where it is traveled. You can check a play. You can increase the speed of the playback. You can check where it is traveled. This is the playback. Next coming to history, it is same option. Again main is report. The main report is travel summary and kilometer summary. Here you will get a total how many kilometer traveled. Okay, you will get deeply, you will get in a kilometer summary. See, it is traveled today 24 kilometer. You can check complete details also in the week. Okay, total 444 kilometers has traveled. You click on the link, you will get a daily kilometers how many traveled in each day, and you can download also. Just you have to open, you will get a PDF in which day how many kilometers traveled, complete details you will get here. You can share a live location also. You will get a link, you can share through WhatsApp or message. Notification here where vehicle is started, where it is stopped, you will get a complete details here. And another one is parking mode. If vehicle is parked somewhere, you can enable it. If someone stolen the vehicles, you will get a immediate alert in the application. Okay, these are the stopped vehicles. Idle means vehicle is started not moving, it will show in the idle. Okay, thanks for the watching. For more information please contact Genius Technologies Bangalore.